I'm Amanda. I make pottery. A little sneaky peek inside my workshop today. I mainly make soap dishes because the environment is important to me, and I want to encourage people to use a soap bar instead of liquid soap, which normally comes in a plastic throwaway bottle. Everything's rolled out by hand. I don't throw anything on the wheel, so things are not completely round. Because they're pressed out by hand. So like these little tumblers that come with the soap dishes, I make my own little plaster moulds to make the patterns, and the soap dishes themselves, like the turtle soap dish, I roll it out the clay and press it with a plaster mould to get the shape, and this particular pattern is made using a little embossing rolling pin. I hope you've enjoyed a little sneaky peek today, and thank you for listening.